Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop your laptop from sleeping or turning off when it is idle in Windows. This is very useful if you are downloading large files, recording your screen, rendering videos, or doing any task where you don't want your laptop to stop automatically. So let's get started. First, open the search bar and type Control Panel. Now click on Control Panel. Once it opens, change the view to large icons so you can easily find the options. Now click on Power Options. Here you will see your current power plan. Click on Change Plan Settings next to Balanced. Now you will see two important options. Turn off the display. Put the computer to sleep. Both of these options will have two settings. On battery and plugged in. Now click on the time drop-down for each option and set them to Never. This will make sure your screen does not turn off and your laptop does not go to sleep automatically. After that, click on Save Changes. Now close everything. Your laptop will stay active even when it is idle. Keep in mind that this may use more battery, so if you are on battery, you may want to adjust it later. So this is how you can stop your laptop from sleeping or turning off in Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.